Welcome to my show, and my name is Valerie. Today I got this cool ball named the LOL Surprise Confetti Pop, and so I'm so excited because I got some merits, so I will open it for all of you. So I will open the zipper like this. Remove this. The secret message. I don't know what it is, so I'm going to ask my mom or my dad to read this for me. So next I'm going to open the next. Ooh, this is quite hard to open this. How do I open this? There. I'll just remove the ball like this. Uh-oh. I'm stuck. I will ask my dad to help me.
Yeah, what is this? God damn!
Hoy!